Hey, hi everyone, it's me, Woowee, and we are going through the car wash. Going through the car wash. So yeah. Here are the good deals.
Select first.
There is where we pay for our car wash.
Machine will not accept money.
Woody's here. Woody and Woowee. Please wait. There's that abandoned ghost town golf course, everybody. It's there. Okay, everyone, we're now going through the car wash. Get ready. In the car wash we go. We are going into the car wash to get cleaned.
Straight and fast.
And this is Woowee's vlog. Buzzy the butthead ain't here.
Alright, you guys are gonna get soap.
Get ready.
He said it should work.
It's coming around. Here it comes. You can see it. Here it comes.
I don't even think this puts any soap out.
Whoa! Whoa! Okay, everyone. Here it comes to clean it off.
Yeah, it's switches, maybe.
It's gonna clean up the soap. Whoa!
Doesn't look like there's still a lot of soap.
Oh no, I think it's coming back.
On the other side.
It's gonna come back, maybe. Ah! Wow. It has been finished. Okay, we're leaving. We got our car washed.
Yep.
Bye-bye.